Hi everyone, welcome back. In our previous video, we created a simple script that connects to Telegram and reads messages from any group or private chat. Think of it like a bot with a reading habit. It listens quietly and logs everything it sees. To do this, we used the Telethon library for Python. It gave us access to messages, attachments, sender IDs, and all the juicy metadata that comes with it. We also handled authorization via API ID and hash, and used a session-based client to avoid re-authenticating every time. Once we had access to the messages, we added logic to loop through them, save the text, and check for attached documents, things like PDFs, Word files, and even voice notes. We stored everything in a neat CSV file for later analysis. So far, so good. But today, we're moving on to the second stage of our Telegram automation project. The big idea is this: we want to monitor a Telegram group where people are constantly dropping documents, and every time someone shares something that looks like an invoice, our script needs to catch it, read it, and eventually send it to a CRM. That's the real goal, to create a hands-free system that filters out all the noise and sends relevant business documents exactly where they need to go. So how do we do this? Well, today we'll build logic that automatically downloads attached files, filters out non-relevant formats like .oga or .mp3, checks if a file is a PDF, and if so, tries to extract the actual text inside, uses PyMuPDF, also known as fitz, to scan the PDF's pages and pull out useful information. We've already built a function that handles this using page.get_text from PyMuPDF. If it works, great. If not, well, some PDFs are just images, so we'll talk about OCR in a future episode. Also, quick tip, we added safeguards to make sure the file really downloaded before trying to parse it, because nothing says, crash me, like passing none to a PDF parser. Midway through, I'll just say, if you're enjoying this series, or even just learning how to tame Telegram a little, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot, and it tells the algorithm that we're building something cool here. Alright, so at this point, we've got a script that connects to Telegram, parses messages, downloads documents, checks if they're PDFs, extracts readable text from those PDFs, and saves all of this in a structured CSV file. Nice. But we're not done. In the next stage, we'll take this structured data, especially the invoices, and send them to a CRM system via OpenAPI requests. You'll see how we can match certain keywords like invoice number or total due, package that data, and fire it off to something like Zoho CRM, Salesforce, or even Airtable. And that brings us to today's question. What CRM should we use for our integration example in the next video? Salesforce, Zoho, Bittrex24, HubSpot. Let me know in the comments, and we'll build the next piece of this system together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.